From Italy's most advanced manufacturing region, home to world-leading engineering, comes the revolution in plate rolling. Where engineering mastery meets innovation, the future of plate rolling arrives. The world's first fully electric plate roll. Zero hydraulics, multi-axis electric servos move like a pit crew. Faster setups, smoother rolls. No oil, no pumps, just relentless performance. Silent operation, intelligent automation, and compact engineering. This is plate rolling redefined. AI eliminates guesswork. Our new Extreme CNC controller auto-adjusts for perfect rolls every time. The future of plate rolling has arrived. Contact engineering machinery to experience ePOWER in action.